Yeah, so my name is KT. I'm 25 from DC, but I live in Miami right now. And what I do is I do e-commerce stuff. Also, I show people how to do it online as well. So I have a presence online. I'm always making videos every single day, talking, podcasts, talking with my students, stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty much who I am. It didn't affect me too bad, but I felt like it was more a preventative thing. What I wanted to do because I saw my hair thinning. So I had to get dye in my hair when I was getting haircuts. I didn't like that too much as it would wear off and be messy. So I wanted to just go ahead and get rid of the problem. Also prevent the future hair loss of coming. So when I did this, we went all the way back. So any hair loss that would happen in the future was kind of gone now. So it's a big preventative thing. And yeah, I just don't like the fact of thinning hair. So I wanted to take care of that. One of my friends, he had a procedure here and it went really smooth. He said it was nice, easy, versus where I see online about a lot of other places. People have bad experiences. People complain, say it's hard, it's painful. And he said it was light, not much. So I had my girl here. She did research on the best places, and then Hair of Istanbul kept on coming up. So I was like, okay, my friend did it, and then it's all over online. So we're gonna decide to go through with this. Yeah, the hairline design process was just perfectly, more perfect than I even wanted. I didn't think they'll be able to do exactly that. I thought we were only gonna be able to push it up just a little bit, but not to the point where it is right now. If you saw before, it was the back there. And yeah, the design was really perfect. And doing the procedure, it's exactly how the design was. So it's gonna grow to that, and I'm excited. When I was growing up, that is how my hairline was. It was more very straight in here. And as time went by, in my early 20s, it went back a little bit, nothing too bad, but as of the past year and a half or so, it's it's not as straight as it was before. It's more round. I wanted to go back to that very straight, sharp look. There's no way that there's another company or business doing better than what you guys are doing. This is perfection, honestly. Even from the design of the office and studios, it's perfect, very comfortable. Everything is very warm and welcoming. And then the procedure itself was just perfect. Didn't expect anything. I couldn't expect anything better. So all of that, and if you can, I definitely would highly recommend coming here and doing your procedure, because I didn't feel any pain at all, really. And I see online, a lot of people are talking about pain this or uncomfortable this. It's just very smooth, and you can't ask for a better procedure. For such a big change in your life, you can't ask for anything more smooth. I literally have not felt pain.